I think that is connecting to the outside world. I think. I think connecting to the outside world. Yeah.
What you guys said?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
It's not allowed.
Yeah, di ba?
It's not.
I don't know. I think. Better ask to Bigel because that time Bigel and me and si. Di ba eh? It's together. Yeah.
It's okay. Kung naman sinabi niya, kaya mo yun, let it pass. Ano muna, ipapapansin lang yun.
Carlos, I'm gonna take over.
Yeah. Balik natin sa kanya. Okay.
Insulting her by words.
Hmm?
Insulting her by words. But I don't know what he say. Yeah. Better ask to Bigel. Yeah. You'll see understanding.
Kaya mo yung pa mo.
Don't mind it.
Ano yan?
Don't mind it. Okay. Don't mind it.
Safe yun. Dito si...
Sisters.
It's a divine, no? Likod mo.
Okay.
Okay. Yan talaga yun.
Be strong. Eh.
He's so that.
Kilala mo yung si Kikoy.
And you know better. You know the truth. He doesn't know anything.
I think Kiko insulted her according to Kiko insulted her. I don't know how or I don't know what. Pero he said something about Mama na sort of insulted her.
It's like about her, like, I don't know, like boyfriend. Like, I think about that. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, forcing to apologize.
He doesn't know anything.
It's a little
She said something
It's
about
like,
the outside world.
it's like she teasing her. No, yeah, teasing her. Yeah. Yeah, it's like teasing her. Yeah, teasing her. Yeah.
It's okay, Carlo. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands.
210, 1,000.
It's like Kiro is teasing her. Yeah. And about, it's about connecting. It's like outside. But Kiro is just, it's like a big joke.
Of course, everything is a joke for Kiko. Mo? Gusto mo katulad?
It sounds like Hugo is saying.
What did he say? He said something to Pamo na offense siya. Siguro something about...
It's like Kiro is teasing her a while ago, yeah.
It's,
But don't mind it.
Kausapin na natin si Kuya Pamo kanina itong ginagawa ni Kigoy.
Yeah. But don't mind it, okay?
Gusto mo kausapin mo si Kuya?
Kausapin na natin, mali na yun.
Mamaya kausapin niyo si Kuya, ha? Ano na? Ano? Sige, masama mo na yun. Hanggang last night, sama mo na sa pang.
Oo.
I'll go with Carlo.
Yeah.
Okay na pang. Dito ka na. Yan talagang si Kigoy.
It's not nice.
Hindi naman totoo yung sinabi niya, di ba?
It's like sexual harassment.
Yeah, it's like a hustle.